Cereals are the essential link in the human food chain. They represent a contribution of nearly 50% of humanity's nutritional needs. During the next 40 years, the world's population will go from 7 billion to 9 billion people, which will necessitate a 25% increase in global food production. From selection of seeds all the way to the consumer's plate, a gigantic processing chain is in operation, combining a number of crafts and industries. In addition to an increase in the quantity produced, the success of the world's alimentary future will mean perfect mastery of the quality of both cereals and their derivatives. The processing chain must and will increasingly ensure an optimal nutritional contribution, a reduction in losses through early establishment of the intended final product of raw materials, and detection of any alimentary risks. For more than 80 years, Chopin Technologies has been engaged in offering the primary stakeholders in the cereals processing chain improved methods and tools for quality control. By investing more than 10% of its turnover in the research and development of new solutions, Chopin Technologies continues to be at the cutting edge of innovation. This commitment has resulted in the regular creation of unique tools, recognized by many international standards and organizations, and adaptable to the needs of the different actors in the cereal processing chain. Our applications laboratory is at your disposal for whatever your requirements may be. We can help you develop new protocols and create new calibrations, providing you with the ability to get the most out of your Chopin Technologies equipment. The Training Center at Chopin Technologies, the CT Center, offers you the opportunity to increase your knowledge about the potential of your equipment and to exchange information with experts recognized for their mastery of quality control issues and methods of analysis. Manufactured in France at their site in Villeneuve-la-Garenne, Chopin Technologies solutions are available throughout the world via a network of over 60 accredited partners, specially selected for their knowledge of the cereal industry. All over the globe, Chopin Technologies technicians are available for users, ensuring maintenance and follow-up on equipment and intervening rapidly to ensure the perfect quality of analysis. Find out more about us at www.chopin.fr. With Chopin Technologies, keep control.